Stop. If you have a dog, you need to know this. When a dog lays on their back with their belly exposed, it means they trust you because that is a very vulnerable position. And when a dog leans against your leg, it's their way of hugging you and showing you they love you. Dogs get something called the zoomies, which makes them go crazy. And it only happens to dogs who are happy and healthy, so if your dog is doing this, that means you're a good owner. And when a dog tilts their head, it means they're curious and trying to figure out whatever they're looking at. And finally, dogs sneeze while they're play fighting to show they don't want to hurt you. It's their way of saying it's just a joke. You can only follow if you learned something new.